Security tightened in Mathura to avoid any untoward incident ahead of 6 December, the date on which Babri Mosque was demolished in Ayodhya in 1992. Four right-wing groups, Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha, Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi Nirman Nyas, Narayani Sena and the Shri Krishna Mukti Dal had earlier sought permission to hold programs on the day. The Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha sought permission to install Krishna idol at the deity's actual birthplace, which it claimed is a mosque close to a prominent temple. One of the groups said that it would install the idol in Shahi Idgah after a Maha Jalabhishek to purify the place. The demand was, however, turned down, citing need to uphold peace. The holy city has been divided into three zones, with Katra Keshav Dev Temple, Shahi Idgah being put as the red zone. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 of the CRPC already in place in Mathura. The section prohibits the assembly of four or more people in that area. Checking at these entry points also has been intensified.
हमारे साथ मथुरा के एसएसपी गौरव ग्रोवर हैं, हम उनसे सीधे बात करते हैं। सर, किस तरीके से ये क्या मैसेज आया है और उसके बाद आपने किस तरह से सिक्योरिटी टाइट की है?
देखिए, कुछ दिन पहले सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से ये जानकारी इस तरह से प्राप्त हुई थी कि कुछ संगठनों और व्यक्तियों द्वारा 6 दिसंबर और उसके आसपास की तिथियों में यहां पर कुछ यात्राएं या कुछ कार्यक्रम करने का आह्वान दिया गया है। यहां पर ऐसे किसी भी कार्यक्रम की कोई भी अनुमति निर्गत ना तो की गई थी और ना ही की जानी थी। जिस भी व्यक्ति ने ऐसे गैर पारंपरिक और नियम विरोधी कार्यक्रम से संबंधित कोई अनुमति मांगी थी, उनकी अनुमतियां तुरंत निरस्त की गई थी। इस पूरे क्षेत्र में धारा 144 पहले से लागू है और कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति यदि ऐसा कोई कार्यक्रम करता है या करने का प्रयास करता है या लोगों का आह्वान करता है, उस पर हमारे द्वारा नजर रखी गई है और उनके ऊपर कार्रवाइयां भी की गई हैं।
Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us live for the latest. Amit, tell us about the safety and security arrangements that have been made in Mathura, because clearly there is some sort of, inputs that the police is getting about some sort of communal disharmony being stoked by certain factions. What's going on at the moment? Authorities are now denying permission, and what kind of curbs exactly are in place?
Right. Chaiti, right now you could see in the background is the Shahi Idgah Mosque, and right next to that mosque is the temple, and these two premises are divided by a boundary wall. For years the situation in Mathura has been peaceful despite these two important religious institutions being so close to each other. But after the right-wing fringe group started to give calls like, installing idol inside the Shahi Idgah Mosque, the security has been beefed up in Mathura, and you could clearly see Section 144 have been imposed in the area. Heavy security has been deployed. There is rapid action force, PAC has been called in, and the police from the local police stations and the nearby police stations have been also deployed in the Mathura city right now. On the other side is the neighborhood through which you could access the Shahi Idgah Masjid. That has been also blocked by the police, and in the morning we saw that police has been constantly checking out ID cards of individuals who are trying to cross the barricade to enter the neighborhood of the Idgah, and they want to ensure that these people who are trying to cross the barricades, they are actually residents of the neighborhood itself. So clearly the police is trying to make sure that law and order situation is maintained completely, and there is no ruckus, no untoward incident happens in the today or tomorrow.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there, Amit.